Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how I achieved these large knotless box braids. So if you guys would like to see how I achieved that, then keep on watching. So I will leave all the information down in the description, how much braids I used, the color and everything like that, so you guys don't need to worry. I also will be doing a voiceover, so all the information will be, well, most of the information will be in the voiceover. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notifications and share. I think that's it. So I will see you guys in another video. I love you guys and thank you so much for watching. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I achieved these large knotless box braids. So the braids I'm using are the EZ TEX pre-stretched braid in 84 inches and the Super TZ also pre-stretched. I'm not really sure how many inches this one is. I wanted butt length hair while sticking to a budget, so I mixed two different lengths instead of having to keep feeding shorter pieces to get to my booty. So yeah, I'm gonna explain exactly how I did that to you guys. In total I'm using 5 strands of hair. So I'm using 4 strands of the Super TZ braiding hair and 1 strand of the EZ TEX. The Super TZ adds fullness and the EZ TEX adds length. Yes. My hair has been pre-parted into boxes, but you can feel free to use whatever shape you like. I also moisturize my hair during the sectioning process to make my work easier as I go along. So my braiding gel of choice is red one because Anissa's water is wet, guys. Them other ones just a little too there and they did not fit into the budget that I was trying to stick to, so I opted for the red one. Plus it gets the job done, it does what it needs to do. So guys, if I look like a hot sweaty mess, it's probably because I am, because I'm surrounded by 3 different lights. So my body is just trying to get adjusted to all this heat that the light is throwing off. Oh my gosh, guys, I've never had to put any much thought into the braiding process, but I'll try my best to explain. So you're gonna separate your hair into 3 pieces, your section into 3 pieces after you smooth it down with your wax or your gel. Then you're gonna cross your left piece of hair to your right and your center hair becomes your left. Then you're gonna cross that over again. Cross, guys, man, the best I can tell you guys is just to watch, because by the time I'm done explaining this to you guys, you're gonna end up with a knot in your head. Once the opening of your thumb and index finger face right, you want to start feeding in your braid. So you're going to loop your hair over your thumb and index finger of your right hand and grip it with the rest of your fingers and then feed it into your left hand between also your thumb and index finger. But guys, I'm zooming in this clip, I'm slowing it down so you guys can just watch, go back as many times as you might need to get it right. It's really not that hard, it just takes practice, but you have to make sure that before you start braiding, you grip your natural hair and the braiding hair, or the hair will slip and it will fall to the ground. After adding my first 2 strands of Super TZ braid, I'm now adding my EZ TEX, and this is for length. The EZ TEX will always remain my 3rd piece, just because it fits best here to get the length that I want until I get up to the very center of my hair. I'm gonna add it in as my fourth piece, just because I think that's a way higher up, so it will help with maintaining the length throughout.
Whenever they say something about us, you listen. Fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time. Fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time. My time.
So to feed into the body, you're going to add a piece of hair to your center strand and your right strand, and then you're going to fold your left piece of hair over to kind of hide it in the middle right there, and you go on braiding as you normally would until it's time to add in your next piece. Feel free again to watch and re-watch as many times as you like until you get it, but like I said, it's not that hard. It just takes practice. My braids are not perfect. I'm still in the learning process, but I got to where I am now because I practiced. So I had someone to beat the same day, so I did not want to bother with taking the braid all the way down, so I'm knotting it off. So you're going to take your index finger and thumb and place it against your braid, and then with this piece of braid you're going to take it out and wrap it around your index finger and thumb to make a loop. Push it through to knot it off. I'm going to be repeating this step again throughout the video, so don't worry, you guys will see exactly what I do.
Work, 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 work. You see me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Tell me about that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. I'm in the cafe, my tap, 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 tap. Drive me a dessert. Nothing to have you lurking. You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and hell nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. You see me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Tell me about that work, 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 work.
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie. Share that beat of love. I wanna ride
ride the all night. Work it in the middle.
I wanna
Ride the all night. Work it in the middle. Work it in the middle. Ooh, baby.
remember that one us drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So what's you, what we've been through, I miss you, and you. I wanna all night, say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for you. Let me lay a great time on you. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for.
Guys, I was vibing out to some Jasmine Sullivan, some Ari Lennox, and some Money Long. I was in my mood, in my element while I was spreading my hair. So if y'all see me having a little fun, it's because I was having a little fun.
If you say yes, I'll give thanks. If you say no, if I'm fried, it's great. If you say yes, Lord, I'll give thanks. If you say no, if I'm fried, it's great. If you say yes.
These days, I'm letting God handle all things above. I can't change it, the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. That or it never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you listen. Fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time. Fuck what they talking about on your timeline. That's cutting all into my time. My time.
Okay guys, so I'm back and I'm just moussing my hair. I already hot watered my hair off camera. My shirt got wet, so I had to change into something else. I promise I'm wearing clothes, I'm not naked. The mousse I'm using is the OGX something. I will link it down in the description. It is for curls, but we're gonna use what we have. Also, I'm avoiding putting any mousse on my roots because I have 4 CXYZ hair. So guys, this is the finished product. I just decided to do a little half that situation. I don't know if it's really hot to put it on. Y'all gonna get what I give, and this is what I'm giving. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notifications. I love you guys, and I will see you in another video. Mwah.